How y'all doing once again? How y'all doing? Once again, this is Keith85, also known as Marquise, aka Stoic and Resilient. We are over here at Foster Park, just doing a little cruise. I just got finished doing the beta test on another type of drone. I can't tell y'all right now until they do the finished product and stuff like that. I didn't like it. I thought my first beta test would be fun. That really wasn't fun, but I guess that's why they haven't put it on the market yet because they expect me and the other lucky participants to test the drone and tell them what went right and what didn't go right and et cetera, et cetera. So right now I'm flying the old trusted Autel Evo Lite Plus. Y'all know that's my baby. Y'all already know that's my baby. So that's what we doing now. Um, I'm finna go in the shade because it is hot right here where I'm at. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Man, but I do see a lake in here. So let me get near this fence to where I can see. Okay, there we go. Alright, now I can see now. Go ahead and gimbal down a little bit. Look at this beautiful lake. It's probably a man-made lake at that. So, but it's still a beautiful lake though. Yeah. We're gonna wait over here. We're gonna go up a little bit more. There we go. Yes. Now we're gonna bring it on back. I just wanted to go over there and see what was over there. Because I had seen it on the map. So I knew it was over there. So it's so pretty out here though. Very pretty out here today. Bring the gimbal up a little bit so you can see some of the sky, the horizon. There we go. Well, let's go check out this lake over here. Oh man, I forgot this is not a full battery, so it's probably gonna be trying to come home in a minute. We know the transmission signal is weak. We coming back right now. We coming back. Oh man, I totally forgot to put a brand new battery up in here. That's on me. Yep, I knew it was gonna do that. Return to home. I knew it. So I'm finna let it return to home. I forgot I had got some beach footage yesterday. So y'all be looking forward to that. I'm probably gonna post this one first. Cause this one's just so I can get back to some normalcy. Cause that beta drone test, oh my gosh, I'm like, what the heck? Cause I was expecting it to work the way my personal drone worked, but obviously that was not the case, was it? Nope. That was not the case. Duh, Marquise. You know, they wanted you to get the bugs out and tell them what went right, what went wrong, etc., etc. So, duh, it wasn't gonna go the way you thought it was gonna go. I knew that, y'all. I did. Don't judge me, okay? Goodness gracious. So, this ain't my best work with this one, cause again, I didn't have a plan or nothing like that. I just came out here to Foster Park so I can finish the beta testing with this drone. And I did that. And since I had my personal drone with me, I decided to go ahead and fly my personal drone for a little bit. So now what we're about to do is see if this gonna land directly on the pad. So most times it does, and sometimes it doesn't. But I figured out whenever it does land on the pad, that's because I went up to the 20 meters. Not 20 meters, I forgot what it is, but I know I like the imperial, which is feet. So I go up to 20 feet and then I let it sit there and then I take off. So let's see if it's gonna land on the pad, because I don't believe I remember if I went up the recommended height so I can get a perfect landing. Oh, we might get a, oh snap, I think I did. Oh snap. Oh snap! Yep, it landed right on the pad. Perfect. Oh my God.